Good morning, Dr. Asna. We are from Team 6 and today we'll be presenting on Purchase Case 3. My name is Sharveena Veerakumar and my matrix number is 204456. So this is the question for Purchase Case 3. So the requirement of the question is explain why the internal control procedures as they apply individually to receiving reports and the receipt of sheet metal, screws and camera lenses are adequate or inadequate. Do not discuss recommendations for improvements. So the first one is receipt of goods. When the recipient receives the information officer of purchase orders have been recorded and given a number that serves as documentation that the goods have been recorded. Next is the receipt of screws. The receiving clerk checks the weight and contents of screws and then converts them to a number of units by means of conversion charts so that the quantity of the screw can be controlled.
My name is Keshika A, matrix number 201869. I'll continue with the third reason. Third one is receipt of sheet metal. The receiving clerk just compares purchase orders based on the information contained in the computer only so that there is control over the amount of compensation of received metal sheet. The fourth is receipt of camera lenses. There is no control over the camera lens reception received by the receiving clerk. So the quantity and the quality of the received camera lens cannot be controlled.
Hi, my name is Muazzamuddin Razak with matrix number 203536. So I will continue for the second question, which what financial statement distortion may arise because of the inadequacies in Dunbar system of internal control and how may they occur. So for the first one, goods that have been received have the possibility that it has not been recorded because the receiving clerk just compares the goods received with the data contained in the computer. So there is a lack of precise precisions and errors can be made in this method, resulting in incorrect inventory figures. So this causes an unreliable ending balance figure for the inventory account at the end of the accounting period. The second one, since the receiving clerk did not compare the names of the recipient suppliers on purchase orders with the supplier's parent files, so the receiving clerk may generate a fictional or counterfeit supplier's name and bill of goods that are not received. So this might cause a fabricated ending figure for the inventory account at the ending period, which is unreliable to evaluate the performance of the company in inventory turnover ratio.
Okay, so I will continue with the third point. My name is Surenraj Subramaniam and my matrix number is 201872. So the third point is the purchases may be made in quality that is not authorized because the receiving clerk just checks the screws only while sheet metal and the camera lens is not done checking quality. So this can result in high risk of receiving faulty or unsuitable goods for production, which would not be detected earlier. So it can cause loss to the inventory due to wastage of faulty goods. So the next point is misappropriations of inventory may go undetected as there's no standardized system for counting the goods. For example, the inventory counting system for the screws and sheet metal is based on their weight, but the camera lenses are counted in the units of cartons, where each lens is packed in each carton. So they are at high risk of getting stolen by either staff or others, which also can result in loss of inventory and which affects the ending balance figure for the inventory account at the end of the accounting period. So that's it from our group, and thank you.